welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to show a small team order that I got a couple days ago of some larger paintings that I just fell in love when I saw them on the website. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. And just to kind of re-say again, I don't think that's a term. I am now a couple of weeks ago in a video, I announced that I'm officially a Teemu affiliate. So I'm going to put a code around here that when you use the code, even if you're a new user or if you're a returning user or you're just always purchasing through Teemu, you can use that code to kind of give you a 30% discount or a couple $100 in coupon codes that Teemu offers on their site. They're always having coupons and sales, and it might go towards any item that you wish to purchase from Teemu. And anything that's purchased with the code, I get a small commission and a seeding money for myself to sign up for any campaigns that Teemu's currently having. So I'm able to show any items for you all in case there's something you're interested in. And I also have some items that are selected as well, so you can actually see a listing of items I picked that majority of them are diamond paintings that you might be interested in. So in case you're looking on Teemu, you're able to see through those. And so without further ado, let me get to the paintings. So as I said, they're kind of large. They're a little bit bigger than I usually purchase, but they were having a lightning deal and they were really discounted. And as soon as I saw this one, I love flowers. So if y'all, if you're returning viewers or just love the channel, you've probably seen that I have a lot of paintings of flowers. It's one of my things to work on and purchase as well. So let me just open the painting. And usually paintings are wrapped up in plastic, but just to not have so much crinkly noise, I always prepare them and take them out, so y'all don't have to hear that for a while while I'm struggling to take them out of the bags. And all diamond paintings always come with a standard kit, so which means it would be the tray, the wax, and the pen. And in case you're new to diamond painting, the tray, as you can see, is kind of grooved. So when you pour the diamonds in, it helps separate them, keep them up straight. All you would do is get the pen, press in the wax, press it on the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you officially have started diamond painting. Usually the kit has a pen that does not have this extra multi-placer. Usually it's just a pink pen, but this one, some of the kits are kind of different. Not all the paintings usually have the same, but they do have the standard kit. So you will receive these three materials. So in case you lose one or it breaks, don't worry, your next painting is going to have it. And for the diamond, oh my goodness, this one came with the paper. Oh, it's one of the smaller ones. As you can see, these diamonds are little small packets. I don't usually get these a lot. They're usually a little larger with Ziploc bags, but I don't mind. I try to make sure to recycle the plastic, so to me it's not an issue. And this one comes with pretty much, I was going to say itinerary, but I don't think that's what it is. It's a listing of pretty much all of the DMC codes of the diamonds. They're the codes that they are on the legend for the painting, and pretty much the number of packs there are for the diamond colors, as you can see in the red. And luckily this one comes with a little image. As you can see, it's a white face with purple flowers. And I love saving these because they're good for my logbooks. So I love whenever they randomly put the little image. I really like that. Oh, I really like this green up here. I love the random colors in this one. So, and the painting is this. So as I said, it's a white vase with some purple flowers, green leaves on a table. And actually, let me follow it up a bit. As you can see, the creases on the painting, when they're packaged into, sorry, you can hear the sound of the canvas scraping a bit. They're wrapped up in plastic, so sometimes it causes creases on the painting. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But they're real subtle. You can always just roll up the painting as just did. And what I do myself, I pick up the plastic covering, place it back down straightly. It really helps settle down the creases. I've been doing that for a long time since I started diamond painting. I actually picked it up from another diamond painter, and I actually saw that it works. So I do recommend it. But if you're not comfortable picking up the plastic, that's fine. is just a little trick to kind of help settle it down. And as you can see, there's legends on the side and this whole image. Oh my goodness, I really love the purples on this one. And the little brown here sneaking out over, I believe it's a tablecloth, because it's a little table. I love that. So some information about the painting. It is HLQ-02255-A, and this one is a 30 by 30, and it's 18 colors. I have a feeling the majority of it is going to be in the purple. As you can see, the little image on the side, just to show you what it looks like at the end. And oh, that is so random. Majority of them are letters, except one random number, one little random symbol. Kind of looks like a little anchor, as you can see it here. Let's see if I can get that up close. That is so random. The rest is lettering. I haven't really seen that. Just random kind of different symbols. And this painting does have kind of assistant circles, as I like to call them. And what I mean is you can see the lettering, the symbols, they all have a circle around it. And it kind of helps you, and it's really useful, especially if you're a new diamond painter, just to help you kind of line up the diamond when you're placing them. The only kind of drawback about it is if you unfortunately do not put the diamond in the straightest, you can see the little black lining of the circle, but it's not really a big kind of thing you can really notice. Myself, I have no issues with them. I understand the point of it. It really does help, you know, especially if you're new. But a lot of people are not a fan of them. So, but to me, it's not an issue. I've had a lot of paintings that had these, and sometimes my dots aren't the straightest, but you kind of can't tell. You can kind of sneak it a bit, so you don't really spot it. And as well for this one, I'll make sure to put it in here in the middle of the screen so you can see the painting a little bit more clearly. And the vase of flowers is more your style. Let me put this aside real quick. Ooh. Painting's trying to slide away. And it's the next painting. So this painting, and I only have 3 paintings to show today. This painting and the next painting kind of a similar style. They're kind of like a stained glass kind of style. And it's because when I purchased one, it did offer, ooh, there's another one you might like. And I picked it up because I just fell in love when I saw the image. And you'll see it in a moment. Let's just open it real quick. Same thing, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, I love the earthy tones. The oranges, the brown. Oh, I'm a big fan of that. That's why I fell in love with this painting, because I love kind of earthy tone colors. And the random blue right there. It's so random. Yeah, there's more blue back here and orange. Oh goodness, I like these colors. And these are the, I'm sorry, this is the painting. I'm trying to make sure I can get it all on screen. As you can see, it's really furled up. So let me correct that. They said sometimes some packagings, they do cause creases, sometimes they don't. So this one, when I did receive it, it was really, really packaged in. So I knew I was going to get a lot of creases on the paint. So sorry to hear the scraping of the canvas. So let's just open it quickly. And pick up the plastic again, just to kind of help it settle a bit. And I probably said in other videos before, a lot of these paintings I open, because I have so many from Teemu that are opened, I put them with a portfolio. And since it takes me a while to get to the painting, the creases kind of fade away, since they're pressed between pages in the portfolio. And the portfolio is really filled to the brim, so it makes it kind of heavy. If you do not have that option, you can always put a heavy book or anything heavy on it for a couple days and it'll even it out. That's just a little advice there in case you're wondering how to get rid of these little creases. And as you can see, it's a waterfall. It's little mountainsides. It's kind of, to me, it makes me think of fall because of all the colors. And the little sunset on top, which looks like, to me, waterfall in the middle. And a little pond or lake at the bottom. My goodness, I love this painting. I love the stained glass kind of patterns that I've seen in a lot of diamond paintings. So I'm a big fan of this one. And I just really love the colors. My goodness, I keep looking at it. And some information about the painting is Y243. And it is a 30 by 40. And it is 16 colors. And this one has half numbers for symbols and half letters. At least this time it is. 1 is 1, 2 is 2. I've had paintings before that 1 is 1, 2 is like 6. I have no idea why they do that. So it's messed me up before, but these are all numerically correct. So I love that. Ah, it's so random. And you can actually see it. For the darker tones, they're lighter color, and the lighter tones, they're darker color. I have no problem seeing the symbols. I really, really love that. And as well for this painting, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. Make a nice little waterfall. That's what you're looking for in diamond painting. Let me put this aside real quick. I just have to be careful it doesn't slide. And the plastic is really smooth. Sometimes it will slide off my table, and that's why I have to be careful. And this is the last painting. As I said, the last two were going to be stained glass because they were both kind of referred, so that's why I was super excited when I saw it. As always, standard kit. As I said, they always find you. And these are the diamond. Oh, these are Ziploc bags. So I know a lot of people love these because they fit in the style, so they're comfortable, the Ziploc bags. I'm not a fan. When I first started diamond painting, I didn't have any storage units or anything. So I used to use Ziploc bags, and I had such a problem with spilling. And then when I found out about the tubes and the little suitcases I like using for storage, I got away from Ziploc bags. But I do save them because they're really small and they're really good at holding small items. So they do get a use, and I don't throw them away. I always find a use for them. Just to let you know. And yeah, I really love the colors. The random red, random blue here in the back. I really like that. Oh, this one has the painting number. It's rare whenever I get someone that wrote on the little packet of the diamonds. But I do appreciate that because that's usually what I do when I put the diamonds to the side. It has a whole lot of black. I just noticed it. But I do like the lighter tones and that marigold in the bottom. And this is the painting. It is, as I said, a stained glass with a vase with roses and sunflowers and a beautiful blue window in the background. Oh my goodness, I fell in love when I saw this photo. Apologies, I'm going to follow it up a bit just to get rid of the creases. There was a lot on this painting. And the canvases are a little tough, but they're not bad on the hands. So if you prefer holding the painting while you're working on it, it's comfortable for me. I have no issues. It's comfortable for me. And since I hang my paintings majority of the time without a frame, since they're kind of sturdier, I have no problems with the painting kind of folding or falling off because of how sturdy the canvas is. So I'm just picking it up real quick. Just lay it down, help it get rid of the creases, and there we go. Oh my goodness, I really love this image. Oh my goodness, I actually want to kit it up and work on it, but I have so many paintings I have to finish. I'll put this in my next to-do list once I complete all of those. And yeah, it's just on the table with the blue window in the background, the flowers, the vase, the petals at the bottom. Oh, it's so pretty. And I love the stained glass pattern. I'm a big fan of this one. And some information of the painting. It is Y595 and is a 30 by 40 and it is 18 colors. And this one as well, it's half numerical in the legend as you can see and half letters at the bottom. Oh, I really love it. Oh my goodness, I really love this painting. Sorry about that. I got really excited when I finally opened it. It really surprised me because I saw the image online and it's so much different, as I've said before, when you see it in person. Kind of gives you an idea of whether you're going to love the image or the painting, sorry, or not. I love all my paintings, even if I'm a little disappointed. Well, not disappointed, that's a bad term. If I'm a little off-put out of it, I'm still going to work on it because, you know, you never know. Sometimes it comes out different when you actually finish it. And I'll still keep on trucking no matter what. And so, yeah. Oh, and for this one as well, I'll make sure to put an image here. So you can see it in the middle, so you can see it more clearly. The vase of flowers is kind of your style. So yeah, that's all I have for today. I just have 3 paintings. I've said probably a couple of videos before, I've been ordering smaller Teemu orders. And mostly because I've been waiting for sales. And I've had so many paintings that I have more opened that I have not started at all. So I need to kind of do smaller orders. Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to stop ordering because I love Teemu paintings. And Yeah, I'm a big fan of it. And all of these paintings, I'll make sure to put the information below in the description in case there was one that caught your attention and you might be interested in working on it as well. And so if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really help out the channel, really allow my channel to be put out notice out there, and keeps you updated for any other paintings I'll be showing further down the line. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.